Your Google Business Profile has 2 hidden features that can double your bookings in the next 30 days, and I bet you're not using any of them. They're not complicated tricks. They're simple buttons and sections Google gives you for free, but 90% of restaurants ignore them completely. And here's the best part. Once you see those set up, they work forever. No monthly fees, just more customers finding you every single day while you focus on cooking amazing food. In the next 6 minutes, you'll discover how to get free advertising with Google Business Profile posts, how to use keywords that fit with your restaurant branding. Ciao, I'm Andrea the SEO Chef, and today I'll show you exactly how to turn your Google Business Profile into a booking machine. But before that, don't forget to hit and like the subscribe button to help your restaurant get found on Google. Now, let's start. Let's get straight into it. When someone searches for food near me, Google shows 3 restaurants at the top. That's it, just 3 results. The restaurant using this advanced feature, they are the ones getting those top spots. The ones who don't, they're invisible. Today you're gonna learn how to get to these 3 top spots and be found on Google. And the best part, it takes less time than prepping your daily specials. First feature, Google Posts. Here's what to do. Step 1, open your Google Business Profile. Step 2, click Posts. Step 3, post your content, but here's the trick. Don't just write today's special. Write what people search for. Half price pasta lunch special in Fitzroy today. Fresh seafood platter for your Friday night in South Yarra. Or bottomless brunch weekend in Carlton. See what I did? Locations plus dishes plus offers equal to more customers finding you. Posting schedule that works. Monday, weekly special announcement. Wednesday, midweek offer. Friday, weekend feature. Each post takes 5 to 7 days. 3 posts per week means you're always visible. It takes 2 minutes per post. That's 6 minutes a week for constant free advertising. So why are you not doing it? Now, profile description. That's where you tell Google exactly what makes your money. Most restaurants just write about who they are and what they offer. Here's what to add instead. For more lunch customers, quick business lunch menu CBD, express lunch services under 30 minutes, healthy lunch bowls for office workers. For more dinner bookings, romantic dinner for 2 with wine, group bookings for 10 plus people, pre-theater dinner menu. For extra revenue streams, corporate catering Melbourne CBD, birthday party packages with cake, private dining room for 20 guests. The formula, what's your offer, plus who is that for, plus where you are. Don't be shy, list everything. Google can't recommend what it doesn't know about. Here's what you should do: start using Google Business Profile right away. Tonight, add 5 to 10 specific keywords to your profile description. It just takes 10 minutes. Of course, you need to do keyword research first. Tomorrow, create your first Google post about what you offer. That's it. 2 simple actions that will transform your Google business presence. The restaurants doing this are fully booked. The ones that are not doing that are still wondering where the customer went, possibly to the competitors. And maybe your competitors are already optimizing their profiles, posting their pictures and staying visible. Google rewards these kind of activities by pushing updates while maintaining listing higher in search results. The bottom line, incomplete or neglected profile makes your restaurant virtually invisible to hungry people actively looking for places to eat. Every moment you wait, you risk losing customers to someone who simply looks like more relevant and more inviting. Now it's time to act, because your next loyal customer is probably searching right now. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tips to help your restaurant rank #1 on Google and get to the top spots. And turn the notifications so you won't miss out on new tips and secret recipes from the SEO Chef. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next video.